Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 17 of saving every day in April. So I am bringing $10 a day to save as many minis and tinies as I can. I don't know why I'm doing that. I haven't filmed in a few days and I have a little bit different view, so hopefully it works out okay. A little candle. I think you can see everything. All right, so we have our spring savings, and this is from Homebody Mama's Savings. And you can get it on her Ko-fi. I will have her YouTube channel linked below, so you can go follow her if you'd like, and tell her I sent you over there to say hi. That's always fun to get those kind of messages. So, all right, so we have our $10 in prop coins, and then we're going to put our $10 in our bank. And I don't think we're going to finish anything today. We've had a couple good finishes lately. So we are going to go to the Paperclip and we're going to start on number 4. And let's see what we got. Prop coins. All right. 2 for number 4. So I hope you guys are doing well. I just finished recording or doing my live. Always have so much fun hanging out with you guys. Thank you guys for showing up and hanging out with me. Had tech issues in the beginning, which no surprise, but I think I figured it out. I think. It took a lot. So 3 is going to number 1. I'm going to use it. It's a 3 going to number 2. Can we do it again for 3? 2. All right, I'm going to take that one. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness, I'm going to re-roll that one because I can't see it. 3. 1, 2, and 3. 5 is getting 2. 6 gets 3, and that's what I have. So we will start at number 1 next week. Clean this up a little bit. Let's put our paper clip here before I forget. Got that cute paper clip from Jeanette's Journey. It was a fun little bundle that I ordered. So let's see, we have $1.25 going into number 1, and you can see that. Still figuring it out. All right, so this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets, and we got $1.25, so we can do another row. Okay, so let's do this row and this one, and I'll be right back. All right, $1.25 going in this one. This is Bookish Mama Budgets. Look at how cute that little face is. And we will start there tomorrow. All right, number 2. Ooh, number 2 got $1.75. And number 2 is from Evergreen Budgets. I wanted to say Printable by Woods, but she's no longer Evergreen, or no longer Printable by Woods. Her Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we have $1.75. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50, and 75. And this one will save us $3. Awesome. And then number 3 has 75 cents. Number 3 is from Danny at Craft Co Budgets. And I need to get my yellow out. I love that I put my markers back in my drawers. I love my marker holders, like the little cans and stuff, but I am determined to use all of my markers that are in there. And I even have some next to it you can't see. Do I try to touch it? Yeah, I'm not going to try to touch it. We're just going to keep going. All right, so let me color this in and I'll be right back. All right. We got our 75 cents colored in from Danny at Craft Co Budgets. Super cute. All right, and number 4, got $1. $2.25. So $2.25. Oops. And this one is from Lindsay. Nope, I'm reading it and I still say Lindsay. It's from Becca, Becca Budget 777. I clearly know who these people are. Okay, so $2.25. So we can do that. And then the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the whole next row. All right, I'll be right back. Awesome. Great progress on that one from Becca. That cat space. Too funny. All right, number 5. Number 5 has $1.50. This one is from Chaos Budgeting. Oh my gosh, Chaos Budgeting. Had to get my other green, so we can do $1.50. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. All right, I'm gonna color these in. I'll be right back. All right, that is number 5. That will save us $5. And then let's see what we got for number 6. Number 6, we got $1, $2, $2.50. So $2.50 going into this one from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Woods. So I didn't stutter over that one too bad. I still did, but not too bad. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, so that's that, and then 50 cents. So no finishes today, but that's okay. But we should have a really good day tomorrow. So we only have $1 left on this one. Let's put these away. Well, I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me today while I'm doing my daily savings. I love the comments. Thank you so much. So we are going to put our prop coins. Let's do a little shuffle and put them in here. And then we don't do anything with our bank. Our Paperclip is on number 1, so we will start there tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. And until next time, take care. Bye.